Gusto ko lang pong ibahagi sa inyo bakit nga ba ako sumali sa Live Good. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've been an online marketer for 5 years. Kaya nung inalok po ito sa akin in March, sa kadahilanan din na I was busy doing farm books, and isa pong dahilan dyan is I was skeptical to do it again, to do this kind of business again. So, then inalok po na naman ito sa akin in April. So, same din po ang reason ko because at that time, tinatapos ko pa din naman ang books. And in May, inalok na naman po ito sa akin. Sabi ko dun sa nagalok, sige, tingnan ko. So, nung pong binalikan ko si Live Good, and I did my research too, nakita ko kung ano yung na-miss ko. So, I decided to join. At ito po yung mga dahilan. Unang-una po, to start the business, hindi mo po kakailanganin ng napakamahal, napakalaking kapital. All you have to do is pay a one-time registration fee of $40 and you have the option to pay the $9.95 monthly subscription or pay the annual fee of $99.50 where it will give you savings of 20%. Kasi 2-month subscription ang matitipid mo. Second, one of the main reasons bakit magandang sumali kay Live Good is hindi mo po kakailanganing bumili ng mga produkto just to start the business. Unlike dun sa dati ko sinalihan, you have to buy products before you become a distributor. And pangatlo, nung ni-review ko po yung compensation plan, napakaganda po nito. Malayo po ito sa mga traditional MLMs. And to think, hindi mo po pwedeng ipagwalang bahala yung mga produkto ni Live Good, which are of highest quality, and as an affiliate member, you would be able to enjoy the lowest price na binibigay nito sa mga members. So, yun po. Honest to goodness, since I started this, I love doing it. So, talk to you soon.